have just found our first hoiho of the Blake Ambassadorship. We are just doing a quick health check. We have got a parent with the chick, and the little chick is looking very grey and fluffy and is already starting to molt, fledge.
We're checking the weight of both the chick and the adult to make sure that they've both got enough kai in their belly so that they can survive through fledging and into molting.
We have just finished up a really awesome day in the field. We saw plenty of hoiho.
Plenty of hoiho, yeah.
We saw 5 altogether.
No, so a dad and a chick, a male that we've rescued, and then 2 adults.
Yes, so
How many
lots
is
of
that?
penguins.
7.
And we are just currently taking one of the hoihos that was a little bit underweight to the penguin place.